All right, narrow bylines of Hyderabad. So this is one of the things that people like to do is visit the famous Charminar, which is like a Charminar is like 4 minarets. Char means 4 in Hindi, and Minar is minarets. So it's used to be a ancient mosque, and I'll put all the descriptions in the subtitles below. But this is a part of old Hyderabad, and so you have all these narrow lanes with all kinds of streets. Some old edifices, medieval architecture, and they've turned them into shops. There's a way to get to the top. I'm not going to do that today. Yeah, you got to get used to the noise. Everybody's honking all the time. Welcome to India. Sights, when they say sights and sounds, it's a lot of sights and a lot of sounds. And I ain't kidding. Looks a little more imposing as I get nearer. And you got all these little cart-based shops selling bangles and knickknacks, colorful clothes. Hyderabad is famous for pearls, believe it or not. We're very far from the seashore, but it's been a trading place for pearls. Alright, so there's 2 minarets up front and 2 in the back. That means 4 minarets. This means Char Minar. Well, I wish they had made this a pedestrian-friendly street, but it isn't, because you have these tuk-tuks and motorcycles coming in as well. Street markets around the Char Minar, selling all kinds of trinkets. Quite a busy place with some street food also. A lot of medieval buildings surrounding the Charminar, which is right here. In case anybody wants to go in to climb the stairs to get to the top of the minarets, you buy the tickets here, and that's the fare. I'm not doing that today. You know, all these strong local perfumes. It's just overpowering. Everything is overpowering. The sights, the sounds, and the smells, the strong smells of the attar, the local fragrance that you saw in all those bottles. And a whole bunch of cops standing around doing nothing. Oh, I see. This is the police station. All right. That's it from me from Charminar and the surrounding area around here. I hope you enjoyed the chaos with me. Get set for adventures in India if you ever make it here. It's going to be fun. Ciao for now.